Hi, once again it's Matt from EveryCloud Technologies. Today I'm going to be showing you probably one of the most important functionalities of the control panel, the workspace tab. The workspace tab is the first tab that you arrive on when logging into the control panel, and this is where you will see your customers' inbound and outbound emails or email logs. Now, very important, when I say that you can see your customers' inbound messages or outbound messages, if we hit the preview button, you can see that clean emails are not stored. So when I say we can see them, we can see the header information, which makes it very, very easy for us to be able to find out when a message was delivered, who it was sent by. So the workspace looks quite complicated, but it's very, very simple. We have a date on the left hand side here, and we can drop that down and choose one of the predefined templates, or we can hit the select button and the system will allow us to select from a menu. Obviously we've said clean messages are not stored, but the log files are stored for 90 days. Spam messages, info mails, messages blocked because of virus, messages blocked because of content are all held for 90 days. But we do not hold clean emails unless you have email archiving or continuity service, and I'll come to some of those in some videos or with a live demo with you. So we're going to select the date range here of January. You can see the from, the to, the subject fields are all searchable using a wildcard or wildcards. We can put in here the word sales, hit enter. The system will automatically show us all of the emails that contain the word sales. We can see the sender and we can see whether they were stopped as clean or info mail. So very, very easy, very powerful tool for you to be able to search if your customer has a specific inquiry or a specific problem or email that they're looking for. Very easy for you to search. Another way that we can search, if I just clear this field, reset by clicking the search button. Another way we can search is by searching on an email address. So in this instance here, Emma, I can double click on Emma's name and it will then filter all of the email addresses under the name of Emma. Let's clear that search and show you that we also have the ability to drop down a display filter so that we can see all messages that were blocked as spam. We can see all messages that are clean. So very easy to add the display filter to it as well. One of the drop down menus that we had there, or one of the objects in the drop down menu, was the rejected. Now this is showing us emails that were rejected coming into our network. These could be from known spammers, these could be from blacklisted IP ranges. So you can also see emails that were coming into the network, messages that were rejected by the network. But also if we select the adopted again, adopted meaning we brought the emails into our network, we've got some other columns on the far right hand side, the status column. Now that tells us whether the email was accepted or rejected from the actual server itself. You will see a message if the email is unable to be delivered. Maybe we've got a hardware problem or there's a problem with the broadband. You will see that messages will show as deferred. And also you will see the SMTP code. If it's a 400, we've got a potential error. 450, insufficient system resources maybe. So not only can you get a very good view of your customers' email traffic, but you can almost get a health check on the hardware. So an early indication may be that if you've got a hardware problem, you'll start to see messages that are deferred and not being delivered, and you can analyze that directly from the control panel. Also from the workspace, we have the ability to manage the user black and white list and also the global black and white list. So for example, this spam message here, if we wanted to whitelist it and deliver, we would just click on the whitelist and deliver button. If we just wanted to deliver the message, there was some uncertainty whether it was a genuine email, we could just deliver it. and the same with blacklists. We have a button marked spam there. The reason for that will send a suspect email to our spam management team. If the spam management team deem it to be a spam message, then we will blacklist that for the entire community within the EveryCloud technology. So once the spam has been analysed by our support team, we will blacklist it for everybody on our network. So not only do we have some extremely complex and innovative ways of detecting spam and viruses, but we also have a community of like-minded individuals that are helping to protect all of our customers globally. You can also manage the admin black and white list. This is the black and white list for the entire domain. So for example, if I've got a message here that was marked as info mail, then I could blacklist that rather than it coming as info mail. It would be in the blacklist. So you can see a very, very powerful tool, lots of information. If you would like me to give you a live demo, please give me a call. It's Matt, EveryCloud Technologies, 0844 887 0000.